I posted this super beautiful updo and a lot of people told me, Lainey, slow it down. We need a full tutorial. So that is what I'm giving you today. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can tell for this hairstyle, you don't need to curl it. You can do it with straight hair, curly hair, whatever type of hair you have. It should work fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair. No tangles. Now you do not want frizzy hair for this. So I'm actually gonna go in with the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This thing is an OG. If you know, you know. This stuff has been around for literally ever. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. You don't need a lot, otherwise it'll make your hair look greasy and no one wants that. It smells like apples. And I'm just gonna run this through my hair real quick. If you want to dupe, use the TRESEMME, the Keratin Smoothless line. That works just as well. So what I'm doing for this hairstyle is I am just going to leave some hair out up front like this. Now, if you have crazy long hair, this updo is probably not gonna be your cup of tea. So get yourself a couple hair ties, bobby pins, and let's get started. And when you are inserting, make sure the grooves are down at the bottom. You don't need to open it like this because that's gonna stretch out your bobby pin and it's gonna fall out. So just keep it like that, hook onto a little bit of hair and just shove it on in. All right, so I have a really stretchy hair tie for this because I don't want to have a headache when I'm wearing this hairstyle. So I highly recommend stretchy hair ties. I will link these in my description box. So I'm just going to take my hair, pull it through however many times I need to. It's all going to depend on the hair tie that you are using. When I start to feel my ponytail tighten up, then I'm just going to take my fingers, put them through, and I'm going to flip my ponytail up to the top and just hold on to the base of that ponytail like that. Then I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'm just gonna pull it over the base so it creates a little bun. You don't want a big bun for this, you just want a little guy. I swear I can never find my rat tail comb when I'm looking for one, so I'm just gonna use this. It's not gonna focus. There we go. I'm just gonna use this really tiny, like smoothing comb. It should work fine. And I'm just gonna tease a little tiny bit. Like that. All right, then I'm just gonna kind of let my hair rest over the top of that bun like this. Then I'm gonna take it and kind of smooth it out. Take my brush, make sure it's nice and smooth. Make sure it's all across that bun evenly. Then I'm just gonna gather it all at the base, like this, like this, and tie it off into a hair tie. So it should look something like this. This is why I said it probably is not gonna work for super long hair, like if it's down to your butt or something, because you're gonna have a really long tail that you're gonna have to try to hide or do something with. I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger and I'm just shoving it under like that. So the shorter your hair is, the easier this bun is gonna be. We are just gonna kind of spread our hair over that bun. We wanna make sure our bun is covered, our hair is spread evenly. So you might just kind of have to move it around a little bit. I just realized I forgot a hair. I don't know where this is to, but I'm just gonna wrap it around and shove it up under. All right, so next up, I'm just gonna take a section up front. I'm just gonna kind of smooth it back. And I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna wrap it around the bun like this, bring it under, and then I'm just gonna bobby pin it into place. So it stops right here, and I'm just gonna shove it on in. Do the same thing on this side, just smooth it back. Do a little crisscross applesauce, like this, around the top, around the bottom. And just tuck it into the bun. Boom. Now I know I said this is not a good hairstyle if you have really long hair, but it's also not a good hairstyle if you have layers, a lot of layers. This is not gonna work for you. So with my sides, I'm just gonna take them and I'm just going to extend them so they touch my head. And I'm just gonna stick a bobby pin in. Shove it on in. We don't want that gap, we wanna close it, so we're gonna extend it and shove a bobby pin in. Like that. I'm just gonna take this kind of smoothing spray because I have pretty frizzy hair, and I'm just gonna try to smooth out some of this. I'm gonna spray some on my bun. Now here's where you can just kind of take a comb or whatever you have and just kind of brush it over your bun to make sure that bun underneath is not peeking through. Then once everything looks the way you want it to, then of course add your hairspray. Don't forget that final step. And that is it. So easy, beginner friendly. I hope you guys find it beginner friendly. If you don't, let me know why. Let me know what makes this not beginner friendly. Is it the bun? What is it? I would love to know your thoughts, your feedback in the comments below. Here it is from the front. So I did this on straight hair, so I'm not gonna pull out any hair. I'm just gonna let it be. It's very sophisticated looking, so I will shut up and do a 360. All right, if you wanted to dress it up, you could take like a bow. I cannot find my smaller bows, so no clue what I did with it. But you could take a bow and you could just add it to the bottom of your bun like this. I think this looks so cute. Some might say I look like a toddler with a big bow, but whatever. It would look good with a dress that kind of has like a low back, you know? It'd look super cute. Or maybe you don't like bows. Well, you could use like a barrette. This is just like a pearly one. I'm trying to think where I would put this. Probably just at the top. Add it in right here. And that would look super cute. I also have this one right here. I'm gonna try not to mess up my hair. And here's just another style with a barrette. Kind of messed my hair up a little bit, but still looks super cute. I love adding accessories to hairstyles to just kind of take it to that next level. These are all super old, so look on Amazon, look on Ulta. There's tons of hair accessories out there, but that is it. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. And this is my last video for the year. I'll probably post some shorts, but like actual video, this is it for the year. I'll see you guys next year. Thanks for watching. Bye.